Hey everybody, today we're going to talk about what to expect when you get your shipment from DPS. So here, as you can see, I have just received my brand new NetGuardian from DPS. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the box and see what we got in here. So when you open your box, you'll notice that you have your unit and your setup kit. So if I pull out my setup kit and bring it right over here, I'll open it up. And we'll see here we have everything we need to set up our NetGuardian. So in this bag here, we have our craft cable as well as a phone line for your backup means of getting your alarms out. We also have a USB that comes with our NGEdit configuration software. In this pack here, we have all our hardware required for mounting the unit into a rack, as well as our power and analog plugs, and the fuses for the unit. Now this is important to note that the fuses for the unit do not come shipped in the device itself, but actually in this pack here. And then the last bit that we have here is we have our ears for mounting the unit to the rack. They come labeled together like this. And then we have one last piece of paper here in the bottom. It lets you know that the user manual is not shipped in the box, but you can find it on our website. And of course, we have our phone number where you can always call for your free tech support. But now let's go ahead and set this over to the side here, and we'll actually pull out our unit. This here is a NetGuardian 832A G5, which is a high capacity remote built for large sites. And there it is. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the foam here. Do this. That. Okay. So once we have the unit unpacked here, first thing I want to do is go ahead and put my fuses in right here. So I'll go ahead and grab my pack of hardware, and then we'll go ahead and open this up. Go. I'll grab a couple of these out of here and then just stick them in right there. Okay. Now make sure you push them in all the way, or else your unit will not power up. There we go. Just like that.